This video tutorial will walk you through the step-by-step process of renaming a field within the Sugar Discover fields list. Let's say your customer-facing team refers to case status as request status, so the field was renamed in Sugar Discover accordingly. Now, to make your reports more intuitive and consistent for a broader audience, you decide to rename the field back to case status, so everyone clearly understands what it represents. To do this, 1. Navigate to the Datasets section by clicking the Datasets icon on the navigation bar. 2. Click the arrow to access the drop-down menu to the right of the dataset name and select Field Configuration. 3. Find the field you want to rename and click inside the Display Label column. 4. Edit the name of the field and press Enter. 5. Click Save Changes and exit. You can now use the newly named field in a report. Any reports or calculations using this field will automatically reflect the updated name. I hope you now have a clear understanding of how to modify field names to better represent the data, ensuring your fields list is both organized and easy to navigate. Thanks for watching.